Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I recorded myself doing this little sleek bun, high bun right here, and if you want to see how exactly I achieved it, to keep on watching, but also make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. So I start off by taking off my bonnet and I start pulling my hair apart to kind of stretch it because it's easier for me to work with. So next I grab my spray bottle that has water in it, which is the most important thing to have for a sleek bun, and I spray it all throughout my hair for that moisture that is needed to achieve the sleekness. Now that my hair has water in it, I'm now using Mielle's Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner and putting it throughout my hair. And now I'm using my favorite EcoStyler Olive Oil, and this literally makes my hair so sleek whenever I do high buns, and I put a generous amount throughout the base of my hair. Now I'm seeing how high I want my bun to be, and I like where it's at, so I'm going to start putting gel over the front of my head to prepare to start brushing with my hard brush. This hard brush, I think I got it from Walmart, very cheap, like $2, but when I tell you it gets my hair so slick, it is literally my absolute favorite brush. I don't know about you guys, but it's an entire upper body, upper arm workout when it comes to doing these high buns, because you have to put in a lot of work and strength trying to brush your hair up so there's no lumps in the bag. So usually when I do a high bun, I use 2 scrunchies, but this one is new and really strong, so I didn't feel a need to this time. And I begin to put my hair into a tight ponytail. So now you guys are probably thinking like, oh, it still looks loose, but wait a minute, just 1 second. I'm gonna smooth my hair down with some more gel in the front and brush it with a soft brush. Now I'm gonna start brushing out my baby hairs. I personally don't like for my high buns to have a bunch of unnecessary swoops and things like that. So I kind of just pull out just enough. This is where I start pulling at my hair, making my puff bigger before I start wrapping it around to make and form my bun. I just use a little bit of hair from the front and I just wrap it around to my liking, and then I use a hair tie to secure it. I'm using a little bit more of my EcoStyler gel to put on my edges so I can start laying them down. So I use a comb when I lay my edges down, and I just swoop it as I would if I was using a brush, but I use a comb because I personally just feel like I have a little bit more control and it just works for me. So now, I'm done. I like how it's looking. It's smooth in the back. I'm satisfied. And yeah, that is how I complete my little top bun. It's sleek, but it still has a little bit of texture, which I like. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.